What's one tip, man, that you think our listeners and our viewers should hear and see, man?
To sum it up, I would say there's always a way. And if you have a good idea, there's always going to be money available. When there's a good idea, approach people with a similar mindset, with goals that are aligned as yours. Partnerships also shouldn't be done in a very rash way. Find a partner that has similar goals. Find another person who has $40,000 to $50,000 saved just like you. Get into a partnership, put it on paper, and execute. Don't let a good idea walk away and say, I can't do it, because there's always going to be someone else that will believe in that good idea with you and partner up. It's simple as that. A lot of businesses
love it. I love the simpler the better, because
right.
It's easy to replicate. Right? And so I love that. Simeon, my friend.
I'm coming off some really data-heavy days. I'm going to stick with everything that I truly enjoyed from today's session is honestly the analytical approach that you took. Right. I'm not saying everybody's analytical, but if you're going to be getting into real estate, even if it's your primary residence, if you're investing, it doesn't matter. Get the data that you need. If it's hard for you to get the data, there's more than enough professionals, real professionals for you to, going back to building your all-star team.
And network. Talk to people.
Surround yourself with people who have done it. Like, blow up our phones after this conversation.
Exactly. Yeah.
You'd be silly not to.
Yep.
And I have nothing to gain from a guy calling from Saskatchewan. But if you're from Saskatchewan right now listening, blow up our phones, blow up our texts, our DMs, ask questions and get her done. But like, the data is there. Do your homework. Make the right moves. You're going to have the right results 100% of the time.
I love it. I love it.
It's amazing, yeah.
My tip today for the viewers and the listeners is get real quiet in here. Shut out the noise. Don't listen to other people's opinions. Feel it in your gut and take action.